When you hear a murmur, what does that mean? What is a heart murmur?
Normally we hear the first and second heart sounds, lub-dub, lub-dub. A murmur is extra noise as the blood flow goes through the heart.
Is that between the lub and the dub, or after the dub, or?
It can be either.
So it can be anywhere in there. But you're able to tell lub dub if it's while the heart's beating the blood out or while it's resting.
That's right. So a systolic murmur is as the heart beats, and a diastolic murmur as the left ventricle relaxes.